How many birds will you find inside a sand dollar?
Pop, the multimedia storyteller, here to tell you another story. Get ready, it's coming up.
With this craft, we first paint the sand dollar.
We painted this one and we're letting it dry. I am cracking this one open so that the birds can come out.
There should be how many? 5. Should be 5 little birds in there. And do you know what this is called?
Sand dollars.
Yes.
Okay, nothing in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh, look at this one.
This has been Sarah Poff at Multimedia-Storyteller.com. To learn more about the multimedia storytelling workshops I do for adults and kids, go to Multimedia-Storyteller.com.